Hello everyone. Thank you for voting in my Facebook group and also on Instagram on what should I make next. We got the results in and we got three winners. I got the same amount of votes for all three items, so I decided to make all of them. And today's tutorial is craft number 2, the flower vase. These are the material we're gonna need. You will also need a white ceramic vase. I got mine at a local thrift store and it's a beautiful pitcher vase. I first clean it with alcohol. Don't skip this part as it's very important to prepare your surface and clean it really good. Now I'm cutting, or I should say tearing, the napkin I'm going to be using to decoupage on top of my vase. I use a brush with a little bit of water to help me tear the napkin apart, also making sure that I only leave one ply of the napkin. When you cut the napkin this way, you get a more organic cut instead of using the scissors. So now I'm going to start putting the Mod Podge on top of my vase using a brush. I'm also using the scissors to cut the napkin a little bit. This helps you to stretch the napkin better. Also, I'm going to use the cling wrap and this helps with the wrinkles and the bubbles. This napkin is so beautiful. It has a couple of birds. So I decided to put the birds first on top of the vase and then I'm going to start adding the flowers all around. I'm going to put another one here and another one on the other side. As I go along, I'm also adding Mod Podge on top of the napkin to start sealing my work. Now another important thing is for you to match the colors. It's like building a puzzle. You find the best shape and also the best colors to go along. Take your time in this step as it is important for you to have a more cohesive, beautiful design at the end. I am also going to add a couple of ribbon to my handle. This is optional, but I think it gives a little touch and it looks so beautiful. All I need to do is add flowers and that's it. It came out so beautiful. I love it. I hope I inspire you to implement this idea and decorate for Valentine's Day or any special occasion. Thank you for watching. Until next time, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Bye bye.